At HSS, we specialise in essential equipment for working environments of all kinds, and that includes a range of generators. Now, with this piece of equipment and other generators, you need to ensure you are wearing the correct PPE. Now, that is gloves, goggles, ear defenders, steel toe cap boots, and overalls to protect from fuel. This handy-sized portable 2.6 kVA petrol-powered generator is the perfect reliable power source for a variety of sites and tasks. Great for lighting and ideal for running small power tools. It's the perfect solution when mains electricity is unavailable or too difficult to access. Thanks to a lightweight steel frame, the entire unit weighs in at just 41 kilograms. It's so compact it fits into most car boots, so transporting instant power from place to place is never a problem. This also means it takes up very little space on site and is easy to tuck away. The HSS 2.6 kVA portable generator runs on ordinary unleaded petrol, available from any filling station. Petrol cans are available for purchase on our website and in branch should you need one. Fill up the tank and it will run for 3 hours at 3/4 load. The single 110 volt socket produces 2.2 kilowatts of continuous power, providing either a 110 or 240 volt supply. To help keep everyone safe on site, we recommend using the generator with an RCD plug. If you'd like to know more about this smart and powerful little generator, head to hss.com to find all the facts and figures, along with up-to-date prices on our full range of generators.